Hey guys, it's Jade and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm doing my dorm room tour. Yes, I'm in college. You know, freshie, 22, year 22. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my room, and I'm only gonna show you my half of the room because I did not get my roommate's permission to film her side, which is totally fine. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. So we're just gonna start with this part. So it is around Halloween time, so we have like stuff up there, but you really got to see this place at night. It's pretty lit. But right in here, all I have is like, all we have is the door, our two closets. There's a big, well, not really big, but an area rug right here. Yeah, so over here we have where we keep our keys. These are my keys. And then we have like this be hype, lol. Be happy, be bright, be you little picture. Then we have our towels. Then we have a trash can. Alright, so here is my closet's door. And my closet is a little claustrophobic, but it's fine. So, turn on the lights. My top shelf, I just have shoe boxes. The second shelf, I just have miscellaneous objects. Have my clothes, and which most of my clothes are in my long old dresser, you know, stuff on top, you know, just necessities. Here's my house robe. There's a little purse. There's that. And here on my like door, I have like a little shoe rack. Oops, gotta turn off the light. Forgot. Alright, now we have my desk area where I do all my work. So yeah, we're gonna go to the desk. You know, it's just like a regular old desk. Nothing special. Now we're gonna get to this area, the long IKEA shelf. On every different row, I have different things. Oh, you saw my legs. You know, so first I'm gonna just start with these three right here, the glass objects. I've gotten all these, well, my mother got all these objects at home. I believe she purchased this at home as well. This is obviously from IKEA. At home. This is from TJ Maxx. So cute. At home, you know, makeup stuff. Next, we have this row, which I just have some perfume and stuff with my Beats pill, Anastasia, AirPods, and a necklace I need to hang up. Then I have my makeup, which is in these two bins. Yeah, there's my ring light too. Next, we're going to move to my beautiful bed area. And we're going to start with the wall pieces. So 1, 2, and 3 are all homemade. My mother all made these. We got this from either TJ Maxx or Burlington Coat Factory, and this one is either from TJ Maxx or Burlington Coat Factory as well. This one's handmade. I don't really like that. I'm gonna take it down probably. This one's from Burlington or TJ Maxx as well. This one, this thing right here is a DIY. It's not homemade. We got it from Tuesday Morning. Basically, this was like brown, like this was like wood, and we just painted it rose gold. And this over here was like the tin color. I don't know. Just like a little tin color. And we painted it silver since my theme is like gray, silver, rose gold, and white. Next we have my bedding. So this is a rug. I just put it on my bed. Then we have this gray thing from TJ Maxx. This is from TJ Maxx. This came with a thing. These two are from TJ Maxx. My sheets are Kate Spade. My little cover is Kate Spade. Yeah, I get it. I have lights around which lights up at nighttime. So these are also from At Home. Then on top of it, I have like this little bin that I just put stuff in. I have my prom queen crown and my prom corsage. It's fitting that it matches my room theme. Then I have a bottle that I'm gonna either put lights in like my roommate did, or put flowers in. Next we have our window to the soul. And right here by the window we have like this little ottoman. And right, this pillow right here is from TJ Maxx, and this pillow is homemade to match the ottoman. And inside the ottoman we have snacks. You know, some good olds. We have the window open because last night was the night they decided to turn on the dang heat. So yeah, it's my side of our room. Yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more like college videos, just let your girl know. Thank you guys for watching, and I don't know, bye.